Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today on this video I bring you a loaded fries recipe that you are going to love. It's so simple and these fries are super delicious. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, consider doing so and let's get started. So what I like to do is to soak my potatoes in turmeric and salt. So I just added water to a bowl, then added 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, and then I'm just going to add salt and then add the fries and let them soak for 10 to 15 minutes before frying. So next I'm just going to add the potatoes. I have already cut them into the fries shape. So I'm just going to add them into the bowl like I said before, mix them with the water, and then I'm just going to leave them for 10 to 15 minutes. So next I'm just going to fry the potatoes and I'm just going to add oil. Then after it is super hot, I'm just going to add the fries. Adding them when the oil is very hot will make the fries very crunchy, and that's what I love. So I'm just going to make sure that they are well spread out and then let them fry until they are ready. So guys, the fries are ready, super crunchy. I'm just going to set them aside and ready for the next step. So on a different sufuria, I'm just going to fry 1 large onion and then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, stir and allow to cook until the onion turns to golden brown. And then at this point, I'm just going to add the spices that I will be using for this recipe. You can add more if you like. So I used garam masala, seasoning cubes, and paprika, 1 teaspoon each, and I used 2 seasoning cubes. And then just stir them until they are fully cooked. Next, I'm going to add tomato paste, and this is like 1 tablespoon tomato paste. And then stir. After that, I'm going to add soy sauce, but you do not have to add soy sauce if you don't like that. But me, I like adding soy sauce to most of my meat dishes. So I'm just going to then mix it together. And guys, I had already boiled my beef. So I'm just going to next add the beef here into this mixture and then stir, because I figured it would be better if I showed you when the beef is already boiled. So I am just going to add the boiled beef and then mix everything together. So I will cover the sufuria at this point and then leave it to cook for some time. This is for around just 5 to 8 minutes, just to allow the meat to absorb the flavor from the spices. So at this point, guys, I'm just going to add my fries. You can add more fries or less. I just added a small amount of fries because the beef was not too much. So I'm just going to add the fries and then mix them together, and that's it. The fries are ready, guys, and this combo is just, it's a winning combo, guys. I love it. I love it, and it's ready, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and help me grow even better. So I'll see you on the next video.